Hello, good morning, ma'am. May I introduce myself? My name is Nayuritu. I am 34 years old. My date of birth is 27 December 2001. My weight is 44 kg. My height is 155 cm. I am single. I am Christian. I come from ARE Division, Namya Township. I finished high school 9th standard back. I had 2 year experience at HAPA in Myanmar, 2023 to 2025. I can cook Myanmar food and simple Chinese food. I can speak simple English and simple Chinese. I can do housework, cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I want to come in Singapore because I want to build a new house and save money my future life. Thank you, ma'am.